something you dream as a boy is having your family in the stands, and to do it on home soil is something that I don't take lightly, and I'm excited, and I just want to do my teammates proud, my family proud, and this country proud.
It's on in the Tron. Oh, it's gone. Like you said, it's a rugby country. The whole area, you walk down the street, everyone's so passionate, behind you. They love this team, so it's great to be here.
I was here in 2022 for the Māori All Blacks, and we went out to, I think it's Ngāruawahia, I think it's just out of Hamilton, and we went to the pā there to visit the kingitanga, and that was pretty special, and I'll never forget that. We had wānanga out there, we broke bread with the mana whenua, and having a walk around the river out there, I just remember it was special hearing the stories from the elders, and it was just a real team connection piece, and part of the reason why I think we did well against Ireland that series was because we had that foundation from the start going out to Ngāruawahia.
They know their way around the pā down the road here pretty well. Played a lot of footy together, which always helps. They get to run out in front of their people.
Ruben, last week, Portia Woodman with Lift stunned Du Plessis with her real Māori capabilities, and she posted this week about her pride reconnecting with her culture and language. Is there something that you're looking into moving forward?
Ki te tākoro āpopo.
Oh, it was Ātiawa, bro. Like, watching it and seeing Dupes' reaction, I think a lot of people watching on the phone had the same reaction, and my reo isn't as advanced as hers. That's something that I'm still on my journey with, and definitely my family's telling me to keep going and hurry up with it. So it's awesome to see her represent like that, and it's definitely encouraging for more players like myself and TJ Perenara as well.